For this activity you will need 2 styrofoam cups, a lollipop, 3 pieces of string, and from home, a pair of scissors and Scotch tape. For this first step, grab your scissors and your 2 styrofoam cups, and you're going to cut them to this first line right here from the bottom of the cup. Stick your scissors in, be very careful, and just cut around that line. Make sure you save one of your bottom pieces of your cup. We will now do the same thing to the second cup. At this step now, we'll be attaching these 3 pieces of string to our cup. So make sure you have your tape. You're going to rip off a little piece of tape, attach it to one part of your string, and then put it on the outside of your cup. Once it is attached, you can run your string down through the hole that you have created. Do this with the other 2 strings as well. At this point now, we will be attaching the strings from the cup that we already attached the strings to our other cup. So, using Scotch tape once again, tape the strings to the inside of your second cup. For your next step, the piece that you cut off the base of your cup, take your lollipop and put it through the top so it stands by itself. At this point now, grab your cup, it can sit on top, and bring back your lollipop on its base, and you're going to run the strings down over your lollipop. Once you get your strings set in place and have the lollipop in the middle of all 3 strings, start to twist your top cup. Once the strings have wrapped around the lollipop, try picking up your lollipop. To release it, just untwist until your strings no longer have a grip on the lollipop, and you can just pull it right back off.
Stay tuned for discussion questions.